So here's my dimple die set. Our first one that I'm doing. Was on there like that. Get a metal washer, put on here for support. Put a bolt in here on either side. Bolt and nut and tighten it down on the sheet metal. I got some sheet metal to give it a try, but it fits nice. Do a little sanding on it. This part right there. It's raised a little bit, not bad. Supposedly with these, this doesn't transfer to the metal because it's still a little soft. So that's a little raised here, but it's not bad. Feels pretty sturdy. People are doing it, so figured I'd give it a try. So here's the dimple die, 3D printed, 100% infill. There's the other piece. I already used it on this hole. Put a little, but it's not like it's almost like it's just scratched. It's not divoted or anything wrong with it. And I just take this one. Goes here. And make sure it's somewhat flush and level. For the most part. I actually found looks pretty good just to do it with a wrench and a ratchet instead of an impact. I can control it a little better. It's actually really not that hard to turn, surprisingly. I can feel it. It's tight right there. Boom. Dimple. Ooh, scared me. That was the very first one that cracked the tool. It didn't dimple over here hardly at all. And this is the one I just did earlier with the new tool. And then what I just did. I'm kind of wondering maybe over here if I need to turn the tool and dimple again. Or maybe it's just the lighting that makes it look like that. Might just be the lighting.